So how many monkeys? How many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4? Well, that must be a different song. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
3 little monkeys swinging in a tree. Along came a crocodile, quiet as can be.
Go!
The first monkey said, "You can't catch me," and stop. Now how many are there? 1, 2. 2 little monkeys. Nice downward dog. Swinging in a tree. Along came a crocodile, as quiet as can be. Shh. The second monkey said, "You can't catch me," and stop. Did he eat him? He ate him. How many now?
Okay.
Just 1. 1 little monkey swinging in a tree. Along came a crocodile, as quiet as can be. The third monkey said, "You can't catch me," and stop. Miss me, now you gotta kiss me. Are they gonna kiss? Are they gonna kiss? Oh, the crocodile kissed the monkey. You guys were doing nice downward dogs. We got a yoga class. Should we start baby yoga? Baby yoga? Snack? Okay, it is time for snack.